Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making what I consider to be dessert in a glass, aka the White Russian. So this one is a very interesting cocktail because it's not shaken, it's not stirred, you just build it in the glass. There's going to be a couple blooper reels possibly surfacing after this because this is like my fourth take on this lovely, lovely cocktail. There's only 3 ingredients. It's really not a complicated cocktail if you can get your life together. So what you are going to need is your favorite brand of coffee liqueur, your favorite brand of vodka, and then heavy whipping cream. Fun fact, heavy whipping cream goes on first. Ice goes in the glass first. No, oh my Lord. Other way around. See, my life is not together. Holy smokes. The heavy whipping cream goes in last. Ice goes in first. Namaste. Anywho, don't forget, guys, the ingredients are going to be listed below so you can follow along with me. First and foremost, we are going to put ice in our rocks glass. Ta-da! All right, so to build this cocktail, we're going to start off with 1 full ounce of coffee liqueur. Right into the glass. You're going to do 2 full ounces of vodka. Also right into the glass. Now, once you get to this point, I like to do a layering effect with my heavy whipping cream. So we're going to use our bar spoon to layer that over the top. So we are going to get a full ounce of the heavy whipping cream into a measuring vessel. We're not just going to pour it over the top like I did in a previous video. And then you're going to pour this over the top of our bar spoon to create that layered effect. See how good I am at this. Not super good, but it was okay. It was decent. So we've got a little bit of a layered effect happening here. Ignore the stuff happening over there. But in theory, there is our White Russian. And then once you have it here, of course, you can stir it in to combine everything together. And I did learn something today. Did you know that the White Russian is not originally from Russia? It was only called the White Russian because of the vodka in it. Fun facts. Anywho. Again, if you guys enjoy the content, you guys enjoy seeing my gorgeous face every day, whether I screw up the cocktails or not, I mean, this one's going to be good. It's fine. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I can't wait to see you until the next pour. Cheers.